One person succumbed to injuries in two-vehicle crash in St. Anne. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. One man succumbed to injuries and several others injured during a crash along the Laughlands Main Road in St. Anne. Reports are that a Toyota Wish motor car and a minibus carrying security officers collided on the busy thoroughfare. The incident occurred around 8:30 a.m. and has caused a major traffic pileup along the thoroughfare.
This is to advise the traveling public that there's a serious motor vehicle collision along the Laughlands Main Road, vicinity 200 meters east of the Cranbrook intersection. It is resulting in a traffic snarl at this time, so the public traversing that main arterial road, you will be encountering some traffic congestion. But this is to advise that the police is on the scene and we are doing absolutely everything that is at our disposal to treat with the situation and to ensure that the public have easy access to travel.
Up to the publication of this report, it's still unclear what led to the crash. However, it seems as if speeding was a contributing factor.
Here in miles and miles. That's Laughlands main traffic. That main road leading to Montego Bay and Laughlands. That's Laughlands main road. That main road leading to Montego Bay and leading towards Orchard. A major accident. I'm seeing here a guardsman IAF bus, and I'm seeing a brown Wish motor car. Both of them are presented on record. As to what exactly transpired or where they were coming from in opposite direction, I couldn't have said. What I'm seeing here now though is one person on the ground lying down, and several persons have been taken to the hospital. But as for traffic, it's a traffic nightmare. So persons traversing the north coast here.
Links 007 TV will have more details to come in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.